Jennings Stanley, 9 o'clock class. Changing stages of water according to temperature here.
He gone.
Is it getting bigger? You can tell.
Looks like it's getting bigger.
Yeah, I think it's swelling up.
Mm-hmm.
It's weird that it's not popping.
Reach it.
It's not popping at all. How long have I been holding it?
A minute.